Right, what I'm doing now is I've got this soft fabric. It's like a woolen fabric, but I need to make a flower, and it's just a basic stitch. Do you know what? I'm not going to do that one. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will. It's alright, just ignore me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if this will work. I usually do longer ones. But I turn that over, and I'm going to make 2 of these, I think. Like that, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and turn that over. Oh God. Like that. So that's going to make 3 petals. 1, 2, 3. Well, it might make 4 actually. Let's see if we can make 4. I think it will. Four and a bit. Oh, 3 and a bit, sorry. Right, okay, so it's done that much. Now, I'm just going to shape these. And I don't want them corners. And then pull those. Yeah, that's it, that'll do. That's doing what I want. I'm just going to stick that back. Ow! I just poked my bloody finger then. Into there. One petal smaller than the other, and I'm not fussed. Right, let's have a look, and we'll just tack this off. So that's done that. See, I've got that. They don't have to be the same size. It's not fussing about it at all. I've got Loctite glue on my fingers. I tried gluing some bits earlier and I got them stuck. And what I'm going to do is take a thinner strip. So this is about 3/4 of an inch, and that's an inch. And now we're just going to do this. It's not perfect. I don't care. They don't have to be. We're not looking for perfection. Never do. So 4 stitches in. I generally do about 6, but you can do 4 obviously. I've just done the jewet flower, so please go along and have a look at that one. It's made from fabric, but so easy to do. This one I'm only going to do, oh, maybe I'll do the 4. I don't know, we'll see. See how we go. Really soft fabric. And these look great mixed with some lace, which I might do, I'll show you. And put some lace underneath. You know, in between the layers. Like that, and fold that back. I'm going to cut that. And I don't want to have any extra on it. Right, just pull. That's got the 4 petals. Let's just trim that off. Round that end off. Round that end off. Take it back to the beginning. And just pull. And then I just stitch that off. So we've got that one. Now we're going to alternate the petals, and by that, in between those two, you put that one like that. I'm going to turn that round a little bit because that's bigger, so I'm going to put that there. And then we glue that on. Oh, sorry, I need to put some more glue in. I've left it on too long. Oops. Don't come out in pieces. Oh. There we go. I'd left it on. If you leave glue in your glue gun too long, it just melts the glue and you can't really do anything with it. Right, oh, it's not that one. Clear one. There we go. Righty-ho. So I'm going to pop that one. I'll turn that over. In there, like that. I was going to do some lace, wasn't I? Oh, what I was saying was you can add lace. Let me just see if I've got a little bit here. That might work. May, shall I say. May. Whichever. You see, you can put lace underneath. Like that. But too late, I've glued it on now. Doesn't matter. Right, we need a piece on the bottom section. I'm using all felt here for this. So it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I have this gorgeous, now I'm not sure if I want to use that one or do I need a big bead or a pearl. Let's have a look, see what we have. There are my pearls. Oh, I've got a beautiful one here. See? And it's a way to use them up, you know. See, I'm starting to glue that. Just going to put it so that some of the glue is on the side. And then what you do is you push this, because it's a large bead, into that, like that, and it sits in the flower, like that. Perfectly good flower to go on a project somewhere, and I'm going to be using that because I'm going to be doing a I think I'm going to be doing a, what shall I do? I have no idea what I'm going to do actually.